This is Scott from KIG. It is August 21st, 2013. This is another one of our 5-ton Koolant Koolers chillers. This particular one, serial number 32045. Again, 32045. We're just going to do a quick runoff demo. We've tested it thoroughly and ran it for quite some time already. These are 460 volt, 3-phase units. This one we already have the power on, and we're simply going to turn the pump on first. We already have the set point set at 5 degrees centigrade. Right now we have the water heated up to a little bit over 26 degrees centigrade, so the water is about 80 degrees, give or take. First thing we do is we press the compressor button to start chilling, and it will go into a time delay, about 90 seconds or so. We have a 1 horsepower process pump, about a 48-gallon insulated tank. That's our fill area. That's our level sensor for the fill. The unit will shut off if the level gets too low, in addition to the sight flash that we have here. There's our thermal expansion valve, our indicator, refrigerant, nice and green. It's actually a 6 horsepower Sanyo compressor there. Here's the high-low pressure switch that we've added. And we've added all new controls, as I mentioned. Open up the cabinet. And we have our compressor contactor and overload, fan, and pump. That's our transformer for controller power only. That's single phase, taking one leg of the 460 volt, stepping it down to 220. Single phase, that's our controller. We also have the same ID tag information inside the controller door here. It's important when you run the chiller that you keep the side covers on. You can hear the chiller just started. And these side covers on the inside have insulation that's at an angle. It's important that you have them installed correctly so they come up flush and make a seal against the condenser. Because otherwise there won't be the proper airflow to chill properly. It will actually go into alarm, high pressure alarm, if that's the case. So we'll come back for video number 2 in a second. You can see here we're starting to chill right away. The compressor and fan turned on, and it'll chill down to about 4.9 C and then shut off, and then go into time delay again until it gets up to about 1 degree C above the set point value, which again in this case is 5 degrees centigrade.